Hey guys, this is Brandon. Today I'm bringing you a really good news about iOS jailbreak. So we all know making your iDevice free of all the restrictions by Apple is a holy task. Everyone wants to have a device where they can go off limits without switching to a rival platform. Jailbreaking is such a deed where you can make your device restrictions free. Limitations like not being able to control your Wi-Fi settings through the control center and not being able to remove the ugly colossal volume HUD are awful. Well, that is what the jailbreaking is for. You can do almost anything with the jailbreak. You can have your wallpapers changed automatically by itself every single day. Or you could just set up a GIFs as a lock screen wallpaper. Well, the wait is over as one of the most leading and popular members of the jailbreak community, Coolstar, has now come up with a new jailbreaking package called ELECTRA. This jailbreak came as a toolkit for tweak and theme developers in target iOS 11 devices. As to the word of Coolstar itself, the release here of ELECTRA jailbreak download simply targets the developers who are interested in taking part in updating compatible tweak packages for the 12th version. Although it is a very stable release, not everyone is able to install it on their iDevice. This ELECTRA jailbreak works for only iOS 11, and many of iDevice users are currently running iOS 12.x.x versions. Another issue with this jailbreak is with Cydia. Many users are still facing Cydia crashing bug with this jailbreak. To solve these issues, another team from Jailbreak community has released a new version of iOS Jailbreak, which works for all the iOS 12 versions, including the latest ones. Many people has reported that their Cydia is also stable with this new jailbreak. So today I will be showing you how you can jailbreak any iOS version with this new ELECTRA tool. For this jailbreak, you don't need to use the Cydia impactor, which is the main cause of unstable Cydia installation. This new ELECTRA jailbreak will install the Cydia over the air. All we need to do is first install the ELECTRA app and then use it to install the stable Cydia. To make sure this process goes smoothly, follow the below instructions. Clear the cookies and cache of your mobile browser. Be sure you are connected to home Wi-Fi or fast mobile network. Make sure you have at least 70% battery. Before proceeding, let me show you the current iOS version installed on my iPhone 10. As you can see, it's the latest one. Now let's go ahead and jailbreak it. Open up Safari browser and visit the link ioselectra.com. This is how the new ELECTRA web jailbreak tool looks like. You can see the supported version here, which is iOS 11.x.x to iOS 12.x.x. So let's get started. First step would be to jailbreak the iDevice remotely and then install the ELECTRA app, which in turn will install the Cydia. So go ahead and click on Start Jailbreak button. Make sure to keep this Tweaks toggle enabled. It will start initiating the jailbreak process. This should be done within a minute. Alright, the installation has been completed. Here you can see the version of iOS installed on your iDevice. If it's correct, click on the Confirm button. Before jailbreaking, make sure you have backed up your iDevice using iTunes and also turned off Find My iPhone option from settings. After confirmation, the jailbreaking process should start, which will be completed within a few seconds. Alright, the jailbreak has been completed. It's time to get the ELECTRA app installed, which in turn will install the Cydia. We won't be using the Cydia impactor as mentioned earlier. To make sure we get stable Cydia, we will be installing the ELECTRA app from any other Authenticate app from the App Store. Here you will a list of Authenticate apps from App Store which are bundled with ELECTRA. We will need to install any one of the app below to get the ELECTRA extracted from it. Don't worry, it won't take more than a minute. So go ahead and choose any of the app below and read the given instructions for extracting ELECTRA from this app. Then proceed to the App Store and install the selected app. After installing the app, run it and follow the given instructions. If you have performed the instructions correctly, you should see ELECTRA being extracted from this app. Alright, the ELECTRA app has been successfully extracted. It's time to finally get the Cydia installed now. Open the ELECTRA app and click on Install Cydia button. Once the Cydia is installed, the device will be respring. If the respring window stuck for more than a minute, just restart your device. Alright, I had to manually restart my iPhone. So here we have the Cydia on the latest iOS version. As mentioned, it is the most stable build for iOS 12. You can now go ahead and install the tweaks. I will soon upload a video showing top 25 tweaks for iOS 12, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Peace out.
Right.